Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kanaya, and we're back with another video. So today is Wednesday, and right now I'm heading up north to collect my new bank card because the one I have is about to expire. So I'm about to do that, and there's this thing that all YouTubers do, they vlog every day up until the day of Christmas. So this is our first new vlogmas, and yeah, that's about it for today. So yes, we'll be vlogging every day up until Christmas. So currently right now I'm gonna be heading up north to get my new bank card because we're doing business, we're doing big things up in here. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So yes, so I'm back from town and I did get my pioneer, but the whole day at the bank, and then went for it. So I'm about to go and edit my video for tomorrow. So I will see you there.